Yeah, I know. Yeah, so and it's an interesting thing. So I'll show you. So, okay, so here I've got the door into the unit, and I want to. So I'll make a perspective view that's behind the door. So I'm going to have the camera here in the hallway, looking into the unit. So of course I want to see through the door opening. Okay, so there's my view, and I'm going to just widen the field of view so that we can see the whole door. Okay, so there's my door, but we of course can't see what's in the unit until the door's open or at least hidden. So again, opening the door is a bit more involved. I have got some door families that I've made that do work that way, but it's again a bit of a complicated thing. So instead of trying to make the door open in 3D, all I'm going to do is go to not select the door and hide it, right? So that's the quick way. If you right click there, we can choose hide in view elements and just hide that door, but then we lose the door frame and all we have is an opening, which looks a bit ordinary maybe. So I'll undo that. So instead of hiding the whole door, I just want to hide the door panel, the door itself, and not the door frame. So I'm going to click edit there next to visibility graphics, then go down to doors, expand it, and you'll see there's a panel sub-object or subcategory within doors. I'm just going to untick that. And OK. So now I can still see the door frame, but not the door. So that's a quick way.
Okay, but yeah, okay.
And then if you really wanted to see an open door, I don't think you need it, but if you really wanted to see that, you could say the door's open all the way and been folded back to the wall. But if you really wanted to see a door, a quick way would just be go and make an extrusion.
I was thinking,
so you could just go here, model them.
You know how far the door opens, like let's say it's 860 or whatever. I was thinking of drawing like a little wall from the existing wall out 860, and then when you place the door on that little wall that I just draw, wouldn't that make that wall disappear?
Yeah, I mean you could do a wall. It's much easier to do an extrusion. If you draw
And
walls, they're
like
going to start trying to join the other walls, and then you're going to have problems. But if you just draw an extrusion like this, easy. And then so I'll make that right, so high. Okay, so then in the perspective, of course, we can see that door. So that works.
Yeah, just like that. Something like that.
Yep. Yep. That'll do it. So, and then that gives you the option of rotating it more because, of course, that door, I mean, I wouldn't have the door like that in my design anyway, but that door can now be rotated to any angle because you show the door open at 90 degrees in your plan, but in reality, the door could open a full 180. So you could have it opening, a bit more for the perspective. But then you might realize once it's fully open, if it opened any more, we wouldn't see it anymore. And then do you even need to bother about making it? But still, yeah, if you do want to show a door, I know for some perspectives it could be a good thing. So that'll do it.
Yeah. Okay, nice. Thank you.
No worries.
Okay.